I have a YouTube Shorts channel that gets millions of views every day. But recently I made another channel. Just copy-paste videos from AI. And guess what? What? It only got 0 views. Every single time. I need a solution for this. So I watched tons of videos, but none of them worked. So after hours of research, I finally found the secret to viral shorts.
Finally!
Let me explain. This is the recipe for the viral shorts formula. If you want to make your shorts go viral, you need to have 3 qualities in your content: attractiveness, engagement, and again, engagement. Yes, I said it twice, because engagement is that important. You need to make shorts that have all these qualities. Now I'm going to show you the secret formula that includes everything. It's called the circle of algorithm. This circle has 2 parts, the outside part and the inside part, and they work together to connect viewers to your shorts. Let's start with the outside part. This is the key part, okay? It includes the key moment and the title. The key moment. This is the front part of your short, what viewers see first. It's the hook that attracts them to your video. For example, if you're making a short about the Avengers, don't just pick a random scene. Pick the highlighted, emotional, or epic moment. Show something like Iron Man's death in Endgame. Why? Because that's a moment that instantly grabs attention. There are many moments like this: fight scenes, comedy scenes, emotional endings. Take some time. Choose the perfect one. Second one is the title now. Create a short and powerful title. But remember, it must match the key moment. If your key moment is about Iron Man dying, then a title like The End of Iron Man or Iron Man's Final Moment works great. Add a little emoji or emotion to bring it alive. All right, that's the outside done. Now let's move on to the inside part. This is where the real magic happens. Inside part have 3 main elements. 1, the story. Make sure your short has a story, even if it's only 40 to 50 seconds. It must keep viewers interested from start to finish. If your short has action, romance, or motivation, make sure it has flow. Build from the key moment and lead to something satisfying. 2, background music. This is the most powerful part. Music holds your viewers, even more than visuals. Use viral songs, trending sounds, or original music. But make sure it matches the mood of your video. Romantic scene? Use romantic music. Motivational video? Use motivational music. If you can't find one, ask ChatGPT or search YouTube for trending sounds. The trick part, 5 secret tips. Now comes the final layer of the formula, the tricks. These 5 things can make or break your short. Check title hashtags. Add 1 or 2 related hashtags. Example, number Avengers, number Iron Man, but don't overdo it. Description, keep it short and clear. Example, Iron Man's final moment in Endgame. Keywords, use 10 to 15 relevant trending keywords. Too many? YouTube won't push it. Duration, don't make it too short. Keep it between 40 to 55 seconds. YouTube prefers this range. Upload time, this matters a lot. For countries like USA or Australia, post between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. For India or Sri Lanka, post between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Now you know the full formula, the circle of algorithm. So what are you waiting for? Do this now.